the last time my video got 1K views. I don't know how that is obviously possible, but I really liked how you gave me 1,000 views. It was probably like my most viral video. I don't even know if I got any likes on it. Let's just get this over with. I'm a big fan of Resident Evil stuff, and also I'm a big fan of stuff like zombies. I like zombie games. Also, I kind of like FNAF games. Oh, I forgot about that. Let's forget about something like stuff like that. Here we go. Okay, go around, go around. Close it so you get a bit of a distance. Oh! Yeah, he's really close, I can tell. Oh! Okay, I really hate how you gotta kinda swerve. Ooh, get swerved on. His ankles are probably hurting. Something sees me, I know. Oh, I didn't manage. Bro's so close to me. Remember last time when Fred Bear didn't want to come close? I didn't close it! 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 Makes me sad. Ah! That actually jump scared me. Oh my. Shall I do both? Shall I do both? I broke both ankles before. It's pretty easy actually. As long as they stay together, I'm okay with it. Okay. They're gonna move in about 5, 4, 3. Both of them! Come over here, guys. Come over here, guys. Come over here, guys. I want to show you something. This is gonna get them. Oh! Oh! That's the most safe spot! Oh! Okay, move back. Run back. Run back. I'm gonna do a face reveal soon. I'm an ankle breaking master. I gotta do it on stupid ankles. How am I this good? Come on. I might do this up to 6 Depends. Ah! Okay, that was a failure because he stayed outside the door. Okay. That was stressful. I'm gonna make it harder by putting my gloves on. Hold on. Okay. What the? Okay, it's a lot harder when what the? Okay. What the? What the? Oh, that not. Oh. Close the door on him. Close the door on him. Makes me sad. That was like a. Sorry for the background. Why is the TV playing? There we go. I don't know why I even wanted to do that. Okay. As long as... Hey guys. Crows like on my tail. I'm not a furry. They're right behind me. I'm joking. I'm joking. Ah! Okay. I think that's gonna be it for today. But that was, you know what? Actually, okay. I think this is gonna be the end of today's video. But if you really enjoyed that, I'll make sure to do another one soon. Okay. So I will see you guys maybe tomorrow, soon. I don't know. I will see you guys later.